Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. So BNB, it's a funny chart really. Yeah, a bit unsure about this one. This was a very short wave Y if it bottomed, but it's absolutely possible it bottomed. It reached my reversal area again, but primarily I would like to see still a lower low, but it's entirely possible it has now bottomed. For the last few, weeks, I've been telling you that we need one more low, ideally, and we got that new low, okay? What we never know is how low does it really get. I would have loved to see at least 240, but it doesn't need to get there. So let's talk about that. My assumption is that it's, first of all, BNB is one of the better charts out there. It's holding really well, it's refusing to break down. We see this as a clear corrective wave, which is good, because if we have here a 5-wave move up, we have a 3-wave move down, it would most likely be followed by a 5-wave move up. Okay, so at the moment, nice reward to risk setup here, and no financial advice, but that's how I see this. I see the price reverse anywhere in this box. Unfortunately, it is not really possible to specify that any further. The box is located between $205 and $260. What you need to understand, anywhere below $205, this is going to get close to invalidation, and I wouldn't really trust it anymore. But at the moment, it's all going nice. It's all going well, okay? So I would have to count this as a wave B here. And then like that, right? So at the moment, my view is there is a good chance that this is bottomed. And let's zoom in. So for me at the moment, again, the point was we need one more low. We've seen it, and we have an impulse off the low. So we can count the move that happened from the low, which was at $255. We can count that as an impulse. So there is a chance that this is now going to develop this way, so that we are moving like this. And for me, a break above the wave B high here would be a very good evidence that this is breaking, right? That this is breaking. So that's what I'm watching. And we are, we've come deep in support, or we've come at least into the support area, and the chance exists that this now has bottomed. Situation not entirely clear. But also tell you how this could be dealt with strategically, because strategy is very important as well. As you can see here, we've got on the chart here a WXY pattern. So the ABC is the other chart, but WXY is sort of the count that we talked about in previous videos, and it is an absolutely possible pattern that we have here in it would be here the X, a WXY pattern, and then the Y wave did get below the wave W. Now again, it's a very short wave Y, but it's entirely possible it bottomed. That's one point. So, but even here, again, I would have liked to see a $240 level. So really, until we break above the $300 level, I still have to at least consider that we come down lower. So again, it's a bit of an unclear situation, but we've all the, let's say, the minimum requirements are complete. All right. Now the other way where we could also still drop lower is if we do count this as an ABC. And no, I do need to move the B wave back. I just sort of got a bit confused here on Sunday morning. The point is that this could just be a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a deep wave 2, and we're now coming down in the third wave. So this would be quite a bearish count, that we say this is a wave 1, here a 2, coming down in 3, 4, 5, and that within the wave 3, we've really only just now seen a wave 1. Also here, this can still move higher in a 2, come down in 3, 4, 5. It would be quite a bearish count that could take us down to the lower support area of the box. So again, you now know the possibilities. The problem is how to deal with that strategically. So personally, if I was to buy XRP, and I might do this weekend, then I would just add a little bit, because it's sort of, yes, we can drop lower, but in the end, the target for XRP, let me just go here to the I mean, we're looking here at 1350, yeah, 1350 in the next, let's say, all-time high. And does it really matter if I buy at 270 or if I buy at 240? Not so much for me. And I would only add little quantities at this stage until we have a confirmed bottom and until things are getting clearer. But that's sort of how I would personally deal with it strategically. Now, I'm not telling you what you can do and need to do, but that's only how I would deal with it, because you know, you've got your clear invalidation point, which would be below $205. As long as I keep the position size small, the risk is really small here, and the reward is quite massive against or compared to the risk. So yeah, things not entirely clear. It could come down further. It could even short term go up and then come down. But the fact is that a low could now be in. That's sort of basically the best probability that we've had for a long time, that a low was in here in a wave 2. Yeah, we haven't had that throughout this whole period. Even here I told you that as long as we stay below $300, I think we are going to come down once more lower. Now we did that, and now we just need to watch it and have to assume that a low could be in. All right, and that's my update about XRP. So that's BNB. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. If I said at any point in this video XRP, I don't know why. It's too early on Sunday morning. No, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, yeah, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.